Before we begin discussing PVC pipe that we install for irrigation, let's discuss the different types that we use. Schedule 40 PVC has the advantage of being a more durable and rigid pipe. However, it's also more expensive, and due to the smaller inside diameter, it cannot flow the same volume of water as efficiently. In some instances, this is okay. If you're installing irrigation that will have heavy traffic over it, Schedule 40's durability will be needed. It is also needed in areas where heavy roots and shallow trenched areas exist. Also, if you are installing an above-ground system to water plants, like we have at our nursery, the strength of this pipe is needed because it doesn't bend easily. The other type of pipe we can use is called Class SDR pipe. It's also known as thin wall. It's obviously thinner and less durable. It is also less expensive and much more efficient at flowing higher volumes of water. We want to use class pipe below ground. Now we will go over how to cut the pipe. When you cut the pipe, make sure it has a square cut because it will provide the maximum amount of surface area to adhere to inside the fitting. You can cut PVC pipe with a serrated PVC saw. You can also use a cable saw in tight areas, or a ratcheting type blade cutter, which is used in most cases. When you are cutting the pipe, it is extremely important to clean away the burrs to make the edges smooth as possible. If you are using the ratcheting blade cutter, you need to rotate around the pipe as it cuts, because if you don't, you could crush or crack the pipe, causing a leak. When you cut the pipe, measure twice, taking into account the amount of pipe needed to be accommodated into the fitting. Make sure that both the pipe and fittings are clean. You want to apply primer, which is purple, to both the fitting and to the pipe where they will be glued. Apply the glue first to the pipe, applying evenly around the outside of the pipe where it will contact the fitting. You can also apply a small amount of glue around the outer edge of the inside of the fitting. Don't put glue only on the inside of the fitting, otherwise the excess can be pushed up inside, causing problems in the future. When you put the pipe and the fitting together, make sure that you twist it around as you push it in, which helps ensure that the pipe is snug inside the fitting and that the glue is evenly spread. After the pipe is snug inside the fitting, hold it together for around 10 seconds to prevent the pipe and fitting from pushing apart. Then wipe off any excess glue.